Full MailerLite review and walkthrough. I've been using MailerLite for the past few weeks, and honestly, I wasn't expecting much at first. I'd heard about it from a few friends who run blogs and small businesses, and what really made me curious was their free plan. I mean, who doesn't want to try sending emails without paying a dime, right? So I thought, why not test it out for my newsletter and some campaigns I had lined up? MailerLite is basically an all-in-one email marketing platform. You can build email campaigns, landing pages, pop-ups, even simple websites, and it has automation built in. It's clearly aimed at bloggers, creators, small businesses, anyone who wants professional marketing tools without needing a full tech team. When I actually started using it, I was pleasantly surprised. Setting up my first campaign took me maybe 10 minutes. The drag-and-drop editor is really clean, and I could see exactly how my email would look as I was building it. I loved that I could save blocks as templates. It made creating multiple campaigns way faster. The automation builder was pretty intuitive too. I set up a welcome email series for new subscribers in no time. One thing that stood out was the ability to schedule emails by time zone, which is a small feature, but really helpful if your audience is global. On the flip side, there are a few things that could be better. The templates are a bit limited if you're aiming for very design-heavy emails. Also, the segmentation options are basic. Enough for small lists, but if you have hundreds of thousands of subscribers and want complex targeting, it might feel restrictive. And honestly, I missed having phone support when I ran into a minor issue, though email support was quick and helpful. What I really liked is how beginner-friendly it is. You don't feel overwhelmed with features you'll never use, and the free plan actually lets you explore automation and campaigns without feeling locked out. Meanwhile, the paid plan is very reasonably priced if you need more subscribers or advanced features. All in all, I'd say MailerLite is perfect for solopreneurs, small businesses, and creators who want to get things done without a steep learning curve or massive budgets. If you need advanced, enterprise-level features, it might not be enough, but for most people looking to grow an email list and run effective campaigns, it's solid. Personally, I'll keep using it for my smaller campaigns and test out some automation for new projects. It's just that simple and practical.